Yeah, I won't be doing this flour again.
So you're saying that the double O pizza flour is probably not the best.
Well, it's it may just be the pizza flour as opposed to the double O. You know what I mean? Because it says double O is best for pasta. But Chad is the one that said, oh, that's fine, do that.
Well, remember, ChatGPT is a C student.
Yeah, sitting in front here makes just all the difference instead of leaning over that stupid thing.
By Joe, I think that you have got it. She's an expert. Look at her. She's amazing. She's going to make 2 pounds of this stuff. That's a lot.
Making 3.
3 pounds. Are we going to have some today?
No.
I was thinking we might.
Nope.
So that's at 1. Then we go to 2. And then we go to 3. And we're going 2 times on each one. Then we go to 4.
And then somewhere else I read to go once, so.
Yeah.
I don't even know.
ChatGPT, C student.
And I think it was chat, but I can't
And then
remember.
we go to 5.
Bitch.
We dropped something. I got it. I got it. I got it. Bam, done. All right, so now, are you gonna?
Now I'm going to cut that first one over here.
We're gonna do a fettuccine.
And I'm going to do it less.
Okay, so we're making them smaller so it's easier. Okay, now we go to the fettuccine part. So she's switching the crank to the fettuccine. Here, I got it.
My hands are slipping
I
through
got
the
it. I
flour.
got it. There we go. And we have to go clockwise, like that. See? Very easy. And we got these. Here we go. Fettuccine. You can see this is dusty work. She's trying to keep them so they don't get all smushed together. That's why she uses that flour. All right, let's do one. Grab one. Here we go. Lots of powder on there. Here she goes. So making the fettuccine is the easy part. Squishing it in this one's the hard part. And you can hear my students are calling me for kite surfing. Looks good, my love. All right. More fettuccine. So this is kind of like a labor of love. I mean, it takes a long time to make it, but it's homemade. And you know what? It just tastes better when you have a pinch of love in it, in the ingredients. Just a pinch of love.
So the other thing I'm doing different is I'm breaking them all up instead of leaving them in those, things that I did.
She's breaking them up and putting lots of salmonella flour
So
on.
we'll see.
Salmonella. Here we go. Salmonella flour.
Wait for that one.
All right, what are we doing? We're going back to the other one? All right, so we're looking pretty good. We just got to do 4 more pounds. Oh boy.